What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog and finally the day has come for another trip, and right now we are all set up and ready for a short ride to see you on the road. And right now I'll be taking my noisy boy for the ride this time. It's because completely ready, packed up, and I have my tail bag and a backpack, hydration backpack with me, and we are up and ready. So we'll be heading tomorrow morning and we'll start our journey. So see you at the road. Why do we ride? Riding a motorcycle gives the ultimate freedom of enjoying the open roads. For a rider, it is most important thing to have a good relationship with the bike, and you should have to understand what she wants. Whether you're riding your motorcycle alone or with someone at your back, being on a road is thrilling and leaves you exhilarated and pumped up all the time. Unlike being inside a car, you have the opportunity to feel the chilling breeze touching your skin while going full speed. For a rider, it is an unconditional love and passion, and it's a marriage between the rider and the motorcycle. It gives you good views of your surroundings, gives you the opportunity to stop at your own convenience and enjoy the stunning view before you. We enjoy going on a motorcycle trips, riding through small lanes, through small towns, and enjoying the drinks with the locals and with your pals, and adventuring all the terrain. So if you want to be happy for a day, do drink. If you want to be happy for a year, please get married. And if you want to be happy for a lifetime, ride a motorcycle. Being on a stage and on a motorcycle are the two only places I feel free and comfortable. This is because you are alone and you have control over your things and your motorcycle. For a rider, there is no gender, there is no religion. It is all about riding the motorcycle and enjoying its best. Riding is all about exploring terrains, reaching to places where you can't, and exploring all the treacherous places that you can ever think about in your dreams. The sound of the 4-cylinder or the 3-cylinder bikes, or doesn't matter if it is a single or a 2-cylinder. It's all about the two wheels where you have control over it and enjoy the speed and the power on your wrist. Riding is all about creating your own stage, your presence and your sight. Riding is all about living your life, enjoying to the max, and finally our trip is done, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we have packed up our luggage over there on the bikes, and we are all set to hit the road. So I hope you like the trip with us. So stay tuned and keep watching. Right, that's it.